This is the processing program, level 1 and level 2 and 3. These are the second editions of these books, and we're going to use language webs and altered auditory input to improve communication. These books will improve language processing skills while also improving understanding of critical language concepts that are important for classroom success. With these books, we use fun, colorful picture plates with corresponding directions that are of increasing levels of difficulty. Now you'll notice in level 1, which is the blue book here, there are a few things I want to point out. Eye technique. Now this is going to be where we actually adjust our speed of presentation of material. We'll also have a pattern of pausing and even using different aspects of prosody when we're presenting information to the students. This is just going to provide a quick summary as to the implementation of these techniques. We're also going to include a home practice letter. And we even include progress sheets so you can measure the student's progress during these different sessions of activities. Now, level 1 is going to target 46 basic concepts and vocabulary. This is also going to include nouns, singular and plural, pronouns, size, color, quantity, prepositions, and conjunctions, and all of these are going to be targeted while using the language web frameworks. There are also going to be 32 sub-levels for level 1. Now some of these examples will include, this will be level 1, sub-level 2, and it's going to tell us our concepts that we're targeting. So in this case, it will be noun plus noun, and an example will be touch the bead and the frog. So once we've started with the example item, now we're ready to work with the student on our stimulus items. And of course you see those are going to be listed 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the clinician side of the page. Now the student will look at the 4 different pictures and then we'll ask the prompts. Touch the bead and the frog. Next, touch the mouse and the ball. Touch the frog and the mouse. Touch the ball and the bead. And this will be a way that the students will listen to the different instructions and of course respond accordingly. Now increasing the difficulty here, now for example here we have touch the balloon, the bead, and the shoe. So you'll notice here with 1 through 6, each of the first item listed, each one is the balloon. So now we have touch the balloon, the cup, and the airplane. So again, we'll show this to the student. So the student will have their plate here with the pictures on it. Touch the balloon, the cup, and the airplane. The next one, touch the balloon, the book, and the mouse. Sub-level 21, we're going to work with size plus noun and preposition plus noun. Our example will be touch the little bear under a hat. So once we show the picture plates, touch the little bear under a hat. Touch the big bear in a hat. Touch the little bear in a hat. Touch the big bear under a hat. So now we're adding just different elements to this auditory processing activity. So that's level 1. So you'll notice the instructions start off simple and they get more complex and more difficult as we go along, as we increase our sub-levels. So level 1, our blue book,